So what is the fresh start effect? So according to the fresh start effect, people are more likely to start fresh goals or make major changes at the start of a new week, month, or year, or even a national holiday. Anniversaries and also birthdays can contribute to this. It's ridiculously easy to leverage this tendency to persuade users into buying your products and services. New year, new you. We all know that cliche, right? But people want to change at the start of the year. It's just a natural thing that our brains kind of use to make sense of things. You know, there's no point in changing, obviously, in October because no one else is changing in October, right? It just doesn't make any sense. But although we know that the first day of the year is exactly the same as the 17th of October or the 20th of January, it doesn't really matter. Our brains are wired to want to start things at the start of weeks, at the start of months, at the start of year, and we will postpone things just for that purpose. It's no surprise that the start of the year is literally the most profitable time for gyms and gym supplement companies who provide vitamins and protein and stuff, simply because a lot of people are thinking, right, okay, this is the year that I am going to become Arnold Schwarzenegger or whoever else. It just doesn't really work like that. And we all know that by the 20th of January, no one's going to the gym. All those supplements are probably in the bin and have been replaced by Nutella and donuts and all that good stuff. So yeah, please use this to your advantage. Use it to drive your business forward and link it to your product or service to help it resonate more readily with your customer. It's going to be a massively impactful technique that you can use going forward. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.